In this video, you will learn how to configure a NAT port forwarding and what benefit does it provide. Before starting with the configurations, please consult with your Monogoto sales manager or support if your Monogoto account has a public IP address assigned. First thing when we log in is we need to go to the Thing menu and set SIM card private IP to static. You may go to the Thing menu in many ways, like using search bar at the top. But in this example, we will go via Things section. When we are in Things section, please select a thing from the list. When the Thing menu opens, please scroll down to the IPs section. In the IPs section, you may see an IP address of your SIM card. Please write down this IP address, since we will need to use it in later steps. Let's change the IP address from dynamic to static. To do that, please press on the lock icon. After we have changed the IP to static, please do not forget to scroll down to the end of the page and press on Save button to save changes. After saving the IP lock to static, please go to the Network section. Please press on Settings and then select Edit on the network we wish to use. Once we see network information, please go to Routes to see our gateway address. Please note that gateway is your public IP address that you can use to reach your SIM card or device. Now we may go to NAT in order to start NAT port forwarding configuration. To add a new NAT port forwarding rule, please press on Add New button. Please enter the source IP address and mask. In this example, we will configure NAT port forwarding to work with all source IP addresses by entering word any. By pressing on the protocol field, we may select what protocol should be used with this rule. Please enter the destination port. This port will be used to communicate with our forward address. Please enter your Monogoto SIM card IP address and port. These configurations will add an extra layer of security to our SIM card, since connection to our SIM card will be made via port 8022 instead of 22. To save our configurations, please press on button Save and Close. Let's apply settings by pressing on the marked button. To see our configured NAT port forwarding, please go to NAT. Here we can see our NAT port forwarding that we have configured. Please note that you may configure NAT port forwarding with multiple SIM cards via different ports. To save all of our network configurations, please press on Save and Close button. Let's apply settings by pressing on the Apply Settings button. That is all. We should be informed of successfully saved settings. Thank you for watching.